My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm going to show you how to top up the pressure or repressurise your boiler if you've got an E118 fault code on your Baxi 600 combi boiler. And what we've got on the Baxi 600, we've got a quick fill or easy fill system. So E118 means you need to top up the pressure and put more water into the central heating system. Obviously, if you continually need to do that, then you need to check the system to make sure you've got no water leaks anywhere, make sure there's no radiator valves or anything like that leaking, or filters are out leaking on the system. So I'll show you now how to top up the pressure. If the pressure gauge is down near zero, we need to be topping up or filling up the pressure, putting more water in the system, and we need to take it up to around 1 bar, maybe ever so slightly more than 1 bar. We want to be careful not to put too much pressure in. If we put too much pressure in, say for instance we put it up to 2, when the heating is running, the expansion in the system may take it over into the red, which could cause problems on the heating system. So just to recap, we're going to fill it up and we want to top it up to just about 1 bar or just over 1 bar. I'll show you how to do that now. So if we have a look underneath the boiler, to the right hand side of the boiler, just under here, there, you'll see the quick fill system or the easy fill system, and all you need to do is just pull that lever down, and as you pull that lever down, what you're doing, you're allowing cold water to go across this valve here and into the central heating circuit. So as I say, make sure that you don't put too much pressure in the system. You don't want to be putting too much pressure in. And then when you look at your front of your boiler, you will find the boiler is now working. There's a label that comes with the boiler, and the label tells you to take it into the green. Now the green goes a long way around, it goes all the way around to past 2, and you do not want to be pressurising it all the way up into that green, to the very top of the green. So yeah, top it up to about 1 bar if you can, and thanks for watching.